Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Evergreen Mommy channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to talk what is vitamin D, why vitamin D is important for kids, food should be given to kids in their daily life, risk factor of vitamin D deficiency and many more things we are going to discuss in today's videos. If you are visiting first time on my channel, first time you're watching my video, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest notification of my video. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, I am going to tell what is vitamin D. Vitamin D is an important nutrient that work with calcium to help build bones and keep your body strong. Vitamin D also helps to absorb calcium in our body. Our body naturally produces vitamin D when we are outside. Our kids also get enough vitamin D naturally when he play or do some activity outside. Sometimes what happens, our body doesn't make enough vitamin D.
While sunscreens help to protect kids from the sun harmful rays, but it also blocks some of the sun that uses to make vitamin D.
Now let's talk about risk factor of vitamin D deficiency. Mostly people living where the exposure to sunshine is limited. My second point is what? Most of the baby fully depend on mother breastfeed, but most of the baby they take both formula as well as breastfeed. As we all know, breastfeeding is wonderful for babies, but one thing that breastfeed doesn't have enough of its vitamin D. Those baby who are fully dependent on mother breastfeed should be given vitamin D supplements till baby birthday, means 1 year. And my third point is certain health condition, means long times baby suffering from some disease. So guys, now let's talk about serious vitamin D deficiency in children like rickets, right? Delay motor development, pain in joint, weakness of muscles, fracture.
If women don't get enough vitamin D during pregnancy, their children are at greater risk of rickets in childhood.
So guys, this type of disease can happen if your baby has lack of vitamin D in your baby body. So guys, one thing what you have to do, I am talking about a small baby. If your baby is small, then keep your baby in sunshine. Just massage it at least 10 minutes or 12 minutes something. No need to wear clothes. Just open your baby body at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and after 20 minutes you try to give baby bath. Now I am talking about younger kids. For younger kids, it's better you go outside, do some activity, play with your kids, give sun bath to your kids. That's the best way of vitamin D. But luckily, many foods are fortified, have added vitamin D, and supplements are also available for baby who needs more vitamin D. The best and natural way you will get in foods are fatty fish oil, right? And these two are the excellent source that provide vitamin D. You can give your little one liver oil, salmon fish, mushroom is also a good source of vitamin D. Definitely you should add your baby daily food. Now the amount of vitamin D in this food drop off. So guys, I hope you like this video. As a mom of 4-year daughter, I am giving this Strand D Plus, yes, with extra vitamin D. It has many property like will strong your immune system, that is DHA. Special thing is water. It has not any bitter taste and it is citron flavor. The whole thing I got in this Strand D Plus, so I try to give this. Along with that, I am giving my daughter food that includes fish, egg and fruits which includes vitamin D. So I try to give this all combo to my daughter. If you like this video is a little bit informative for you, so please hit the like button, do subscribe on my channel and press the bell icon. So take care, bye bye.